I'm going to be out of town for a couple of weeks, but before I left, I recorded how to make some miniature bushes. So, let's get crafting. Alright, today I'm going to show you how I make some little bushes out of these. These are kind of little floral decorations. I found them at Michael's in the clearance section. They seem to be a seasonal thing. If they're not at your Michael's now, they will be eventually. I spent, I think it was $2, maybe $3 for this whole thing, and as you can see, there's a ton of little pieces on this. Each one is this little kind of a pod, and turn this inside out here so you can see it a little better. So it's a piece that has 4 major sections on it, and there were 3 little pieces in between. I clipped those off. We're going to be using the large pieces for this project. Now this is going to be super quick to put together, and we're going to use a piece of a toothpick, one of these little pods, a dollar store children's counting chip. These are kind of in the toy section. They're meant for teaching kids to count and differentiate colors. I drilled a small little hole in the center to fit a toothpick through it, and you'll see why as we go on. And then we're going to put the whole thing together with some hot glue. So, like I said, this is very, very easy to do, very, very quick to do. I'm going to take the toothpick, put it through the hole in the bottom, and bring it up until it is, if we bring one piece up, about midway up the little leafy sections. Then I'm going to kind of pull everything away, and then we're going to add some hot glue to the end of the toothpick. And as you can see, it's a little fiddly. So I've got a little blob of glue on there, and I'm just going to pull all these pieces up and just kind of hold them in place for a moment while the glue solidifies. This is going to hide the glue so it's not easily seen, and also bring all the pieces up to form kind of the top of a bush. So as you can see, it's already looking pretty good, but we have these outstretched sections down here, and then the bottom of the little bundle. So what I'm going to do is snip away all of these little bits, and we're going to pull the cap away, leaving us with just the rest of the bush. Now we need to glue all of these little end pieces to the toothpick. And that's going to be done with, you guessed it, a little bit more hot glue. Now you can do this little bits at a time or try and get all of it together. It's kind of up to you and how much you're willing to get some hot glue on your fingertips. I've been doing this kind of thing for so long I can't really feel the heat of the hot glue anymore. Pretty sure that that's not the best thing in the world for me, but it does make building crafts like this a lot easier. I do not recommend trying to build up a tolerance for this though if you can avoid it. It's painful. Okay, a little bit more on this side. And we're just going to kind of swirl it around until all the pieces are mostly stuck down. Alright, that looks decent, and I don't think anything is going to break away. I can kind of pull this down. And just kind of press them into the toothpick, and there we go. So that is going to be our bush. Now the counting chip is going to be the base to stand it on. So I'm going to slide the toothpick through the hole that I drilled, and just kind of push it up until it reaches the hot glue area. So that is what we've got here. And now I'm going to solidify everything into place and make sure that nothing is going to come loose by just doing a line of hot glue around it. And then once that dries and solidifies, we have a nice little reasonably bottom heavy bush that we can just sit on the table and not really have to do a whole lot extra to kind of keep it from tipping over. Alright, that should be reasonably solid. So now I can clip the end of the toothpick off and just kind of pull everything so that it's nice and flush on the bottom. And there we go. A simple little bush for our tabletop. Now, if you're looking for just some quick terrain and just need something to throw on your table, you can stop right here. But we're going to take it one step further, and we're going to add some sand around the base to kind of disguise the plant and make things look a little bit nicer. Okay, to put the sand on, I think we're going to go with the old tested method of a little bit of tacky glue and then just apply the sand directly. So I'm just going to spread this on a little liberally. The glue should kind of get soaked into the sand, so I'm not worried about it kind of spilling over. Okay, so now that all the glue is on, I'm just going to put it on the sand and just kind of pile it around. Give that a second or so to kind of absorb. And then I'll tap off the excess. And here we go. A nice little bush that we can put into just about any kind of situation. Now, the glue is going to need about 20 minutes to an hour to dry, depending on how much you put on. But as you can see, these are super quick to put together. They're going to be great for doing in little lines. I can make a hedgerow. In a forest setting, I can do a cluster of them to be kind of impassable or difficult terrain. If you're playing war games, these can be used to create little bits of sight blocker. There's a lot of uses for these. They're super quick to put together. And if I did the entirety of this little tray, I'd get somewhere between 20 or like hold on. There's 6 rows by 6, so you can get 30 some odd bushes out of just one of these little trays. So if you bought one tray and then bought one pack of the counting chips from the Dollar Tree, the counting chips come in a bag of like 80. So for less than $5, you can make 30 or more bushes, depending on how many are on the tray. And that is super quick. You can do all of them in a single afternoon and just kind of have them on hand for use whenever it is you feel like. So that's going to be it for today. I should be back in town and back to regular recording pretty soon. Once I am back, we will finish up our Wizard's Tower. That's going to be it for today. Thank you everyone so much for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe for future content, comment down in the comments section, and we will see everyone next episode.